Suppose if you design any platform particular one coding base, that option is called WordPress. Without knowledge of any customized HTML to build the site is called WordPress. That is called the WordPress hosting will be provided with the lifetime free domain. That is called any WordPress will be purchased one website and 3 and 5 max. Any WordPress support by the 1, 3 and 5. Maximum 3 is the last count. But any WordPress hosting will purchase one website is better for future creating a website. That is called with the lifetime free domain. So that is mean by go to WordPress. WordPress hosting support only for particular one platform to build the site. Next time you can change in the platform. We can't change the hosting. Or we can exit by the WordPress. We can go for Linux and Windows. But once you select it by WordPress hosting, they now support it for other platforms. HTML will not support. PHP, AngularJS, any will be not support. Only support by the WordPress. The WordPress hosting will be purchased 3 platforms. Host to one website, no free domain, limited space. This all will be limited space. 69 rupees per month. How much? 69 rupees per month. When purchased up to 3 years. Up to 3 years. First year also 69. Second year will be 69. Third year will be 69. And coming to unlimited. Host for one website with the lifetime free domain. Here we can see 1, 3, 6, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Now can careful to concentrate. Here only 1 to 3 will be there. Any 1 month, 2 months, 3 months is there. Why is less than 100? Understand the price? Coming to 210. Here they give mention the price. 1 month 350, 3 months 350, 6 months 315, 1 year 280, 2 years 245, 3 years 210. So coming to this, how many years we can purchase? Up to 3 years. If you go for Linux, if you go for Windows, if you go for WordPress, the purchase hosting will be up to 3 years. Some hosting provider providing up to 5 years. Maximum more than 5 years nobody can provide. Maximum 1 year, 2 years, 3 or 5 years. 5 years will be last count. Now select your option. Before that, first of all you can check this option. Any discount will be happen. How much you will get discount? 50%. WP 50, nothing but WordPress 50. So when you purchase any kind of hosting, you can see 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. Select it. How much my price? 18,667. Now will be 8,920. But here drawback is called if you purchase any WordPress, they support only for one platform. There is a WordPress platform. Suppose you can Linux or you can purchase a Linux hosting, including WordPress also will be there. Clear? They give 2 benefits. Suppose if you go only for WordPress, they give the WordPress website will be designed. If you go for HTML PHP WordPress, they go for Linux hosting. But WordPress, what are the hosting will be provided? They give the inbuilt themes to build a site. Easy to access the build the site without knowledge of coding. The technique we can use, we can build the website we'll be using for without knowledge of the coding. That is called people selecting for individual WordPress hosting. But nowadays, WordPress also coming to e-commerce. So everybody looking for WordPress for e-commerce portal also. So this price will eligible by up to 3 years. This price will be flexible by the any user by making a static, dynamic and e-commerce. A static website people don't set it by the WordPress for particular this price. So clear? So any dynamic and e-commerce people will get set by the individual WordPress one. So this is a WordPress. So we can go with the compile other one. I'll show the GoDaddy only for WordPress. I'm showing here. Here is the WordPress hosting and WordPress theme. I'm selecting for WordPress hosting. Select your packages. 900 rupees per month. How many website? One. Here one. 1 to 2. Here 5 to 50 website. Maximum they give 5 up to 50 they say. But is a 5 is a deadline. So how much they charge? Pro 5. So these are the options. So everyone to purchase individual hosting, the option will be changed. Maximum 1 or 3 or 5 will be maximum you can purchase your WordPress hosting. But if you go for individual website for secure purpose, we'll go by the individual. That is a unlimited space. But here they not provide any unlimited space. You can check any hosting, first of all, which is providing for unlimited hosting and unlimited space. Any hosting will first of all check by the unlimited space. There is a mandatory field by dynamic and e-commerce. You can see one website. How much space will be? Unlimited bandwidth. Sometimes bandwidth will be called unmetered also will be there. Unmetered also will be limited only. Unmetered bandwidth. So same like you can compare the other websites. Before purchasing hosting, you can purchase by the check the hosting providers who will be providing the best WordPress hostings. So we'll be coming to this one. WordPress. All will be limited space. See this one. 5 WordPress site. How much? 40 GB. Extra core CPU. 6 GB RAM. Site lag no. And 4 guard. Is it clear? Maximum how many websites will be hosting for WordPress? Up to 5. So this is called people. Most of the people selecting for which hosting provided by the unlimited with the SSL. You can prefer that hosting to secure your website. So any hosting will be provided for with SSL. There is a we can focus by the that website. Without SSL, don't select that hosting. The waste of your time to purchase the hosting. Separate SSL will be charged by free for only for 3 months. But if you have purchased SSL per year will be 4,000 change will be purchased. That is called which hosting provided by free SSL to purchase the particular hosting. So this is called will purchase your WordPress hosting up to 3 years with the best